AJ with Starter Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to build this really cool DIY garden on Starter Builds. After completing the trellis, I started out by laying out the perimeter foundation. I'm just using this scrap wood as a stake to lay out the perimeter here. There's no set math, I'm just using a 2x4 as my spacing. What is up? We are back working on this garden project. So far we have our trellis built along with our first hole in on the left side corner. If you're facing the trellis, we're working on this secondary corner here just to give you an idea of what we're doing here. We're just driving these stakes, these post stakes, easy posts, easy spike they're called, into the ground here. And then we're attaching the 4x4 to it with these 4 screws, 2 on each side here. So we're gonna get putting in that other post over there. So stay tuned for that. Instead of using concrete for the 4x4 post, I decided to try out these easy set posts. I gotta tell you, I probably would go back and do the concrete method, as these are a little bit expensive and it's pretty hard to make sure that you get them in the ground straight. I was doing this in early spring, so the ground was relatively soft, but there was a couple that I had to end up pulling out and redoing. So for what it's worth, might be cheaper just to go the concrete route. But I hammered these down in, I make sure they were level and square. I actually used a string to make sure that they were all aligned. All right, so we got the second easy spike in there. It is pretty close to being perfectly level and square, so I will take that. Next we're going to put in our 4x4 post. There's 2 holes here and 2 holes here, and I'm just using these SD connector screws here, these Simpson strong tie 1.5 screws to attach it. We got our 2 posts in up front here. We're going to move to the back corner, then we'll do other corner, and then we'll start to fill in these middle spots. Still undecided on the spacing here, but so far this is what we got. Looking pretty good. Now that we have all 4 posts in, we're just gonna have to work on those 2 back posts and the side posts, and then we'll be good to put in our 2x4 framing. For the framing here, I'm gonna be using my circular saw along with some pocket holes, 2.5-inch pocket holes to attach. I found that if you use some scrap wood and clamps, it actually does a really good job to hold everything in place here. All right, so we have our front bottoms installed. The ground over here is not level, so not going to be the straightest, but so far so good. All right, so what materials are we working with here in terms of tools? We have our circular saw. You could always use a miter saw. We have our 2.5-inch Craig pocket hole screws. We have our pocket hole jig. We have some blocking to help keep our boards up. And then we got some pencils and a tape measure. Oh, you're also gonna need a level, impact, square. Cool. All right, so right now we have our first 2x4 in there laying flat. We're going to be putting 4 pocket holes in there. It is level. Cool, so we have our top 2x4 in. It is mostly level. We're gonna take it off here. We'll have these blocking supports. We're gonna put in our pocket holes, of course, and then we'll get this attached in. All right, so we got the left side going. We work on the right side, top portion here. My plan is to have 2x2s optional to run on the inside here, the inside here, and here. That way it'll give us more to staple the fence on. So we finally have completed the enclosure. Learned a lot during this process. Up next, we're going to be rototilling and building the beds out. Now we can start to plant some vegetables.
Last but not least, we got to put a gate on this. We want to make sure that no critters or deer are able to get in here. So I'm just going to be using some 2x4s, some pocket hole, and the wire fencing. I picked up a gate hardware kit from the local big box store. This was super easy to put together. It took me about maybe 15-20 minutes total, and then I just stapled that onto the back here. So hope you guys like this project. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for more projects. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.